Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to view your speaker notes and add them if you don't have any. So you'll notice down here, I actually had to turn this off because I usually have this feature on, but there's not really much on here aside from the menus, the slides on the left, and the individual slide taking up most of the screen. But let's say that there's something I want to talk about while a specific slide is being presented to my audience, but I don't want it on the slide. I just want to remind myself that I want to talk about it during that slide. If I go to View and I click on Speaker Notes, I can add something. So I can add a note, tell a story about train ride in Mexico. All right, so now I know if I go to slideshow, this is what my audience will see. But if I go to presenter view, right, my notes, my presenter notes, will show up on the screen, and I'll make sure to see that. So the audience won't see those notes. I will, and then I can make sure to include relevant information that might not be on the slide, but I still want to make sure that I address. All right, so if you have any information like that where you want to make sure you talk about it, don't forget to mention key points or whatever, that would be something that could go in your speaker notes. And if you don't have them on the bottom, you can go to View and simply select Show Speaker Notes, and then you'll have the option to add speaker notes.